Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about coins and currencies around the world.
So guys, the objective of today's video is to share with you some laws that related to this 1000 and 500 old banknotes, that's the demonetized banknote, and to discuss a little bit about the pricing and the estimates and projections that may happen in the 2021. So as you guys are aware, on 8th of November 2016, a kind of shocking news came in India with the demonetization of these two banknotes, and the after effects of that are known to every one of us. So after that, on February 2017, there is a law in existence. There came a law which says that possessing these particular kind of banknotes are going to be a punishable offense, and there are certain other things that you have to look about these banknotes. So that was the law that got effect to the demonetization discussion that happened, the declaration that happened in the November 8 2016. And the law is Specified Banknote Cessation of Liabilities Act 2017. So that particular law gives certain punishments for holding these old banknotes of 500 and 1000 with you, but there are certain exemptions, some amount of banknotes you can hold. So for example, as per section 5 of that particular act, 5.2 clause A and B, which basically says that you can hold around 10 of each of these pieces, or for numismatics or study purposes you can actually hold up to 25 of these pieces. So till that it's okay, it's accepted, and you don't have to pay any fine, or any punishment won't be upon you for holding these if you are using it for only those specific purposes. Otherwise, according to section 7 of this particular act, you may have to pay a fine of 10,000 rupees or 5 times the amount of the banknotes that you are having. For example, if you are having 1000 rupees, then you have to pay 5000 rupees, whichever is higher, for as a punishment if you are holding it for a purpose which is not given in section 5 as an exemption. So that's the basic law you have to understand. And the next thing that we have to look up into is the pricing of these particular banknotes. So a couple of days before, I have introduced you guys to this particular book that you are seeing in front of you. That's the Indian Paper Money Guide by Mike Jain. It's a good and standard catalog that is followed by most of the collectors in India, and the newest version is this, and I have done a video about it and insights of that, and a kind of review that if you want to know, you can check in the top here. There will be a notification coming like that. Just check that, you will be able to see the review of this book. So without waiting, let's look into the prices of the old banknotes, that is these 1000 and 500 banknotes that's estimated to be the prices in the coming year. So if you are going inside this banknote, you can see there is a section for the old banknotes, and the one that you are seeing in front of you. So what I have read from this book is that the banknotes in this particular series, that's the old 500 one, that may cost between 500 to 3000 rupees. Now this is just an estimate. This may not be the actual price, but it's a projected price, and there are sellers who will be selling for a less price, or sellers who are selling for a more price. But this can be considered as a standard base price on which the market value of these banknotes can be considered. In the same way, the new banknote, the old 1000 rupees also is getting around to 3000 to 1000 rupees. So that's also just a projected estimated price. I'm not saying that that's the exact price, but it's good to look into this book, and if you want to buy this book, that's also where to buy, and everything that's also discussed in the video about this book that I have said before. So you should really check about it. Now another question that was asked to me by a lot of my friends is that is it okay to buy or sell this banknote for a price which is more than the face value, or since these banknotes are demonetized, they don't have any per se value. So is it okay for buying and selling it for a price, a higher price? So about that topic also I have done a video like why it is okay for like buy and sell it for a different price than the face value, like the demonetized note and the notes that is in circulation. It's okay for like buy or sell it for a like different price. It's like absolutely fine as per the code. So I have done a video on that also, that will be also coming here. So just check that, you will get to know the laws in India about like buying and selling of banknotes. So that was the kind of information that I wanted to share with you guys today, and I hope that you finally understood the laws behind the using and selling and buying of this particular thing and pricing of these banknotes. So if you want to know about such like informative and interesting things about coins and currencies around the world, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also share it with your friends and family, especially there is a lot of fake videos which is telling like random things that these banknotes are going to be sold for like 10 lakh 5 lakh rupees. Please don't like watch that kind of video. That's not the truth. The truth is the thing that I have just shared with you. I have given you the evidences and showed you the law. So make sure that this reach everyone that you know, so that they will understand the correct situation about them in India. So thank you for watching the channel. I hope you will continue to watch the channel for understanding a lot about coins and currencies. Till next video, bye bye.